Oho Mom is the future. It's the future of communication through television, infused with culture, environment, just anything that makes people respond. What we're trying to do is evoke thought and infuse it with culture and just make it an all-around dope experience. The one thing to be clear about is everyone has to have an open heart, an open mind, and an open mouth in order to make it successful. Free expression is not really new. You have like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, but one thing those three have in common is the fact that it's limited to a certain audience or it's limited to a certain amount of time. Oho Mom is an open conversation that promotes free expression. Having a conversation unscripted to increase awareness, just having a sense of rawness. Open heart, open mouth, an open mind. You have to have an open heart in order to have an open mouth, as well as an open mind. You ever just had a conversation with somebody or a group of people, and all of a sudden the world just don't even seem the same? Like, dang, like, I ain't even know like the world looked like this. This is what we're trying to do, like, that's the whole point. Having an open heart and having an open mind, it increases a level of thought that I believe our generation is capable of doing. So, I'm ready to have conversations. I'm ready to go there with people and just be raw with it. I hope y'all ready too.